What is BCA? A preferred choice for you is BCA, Bachelor in Computers Applications. So you should know all about BCA. Exactly BCA क्या है? You should know totally about BCA. BCA is a 3-year undergraduate degree program for candidates wishing to enter the world of computer language. One of the most popular options to get started with a career is information technology. The course gave you insight into the world of computers and application. How is this a degree valuable? There are many questions students are having in their mind. सबको लगता है BA, BCom ये डिग्री कोर्स है. हमने BA कर लिया तो हमारी डिग्री हो गई, हम ग्रेजुएट हो गए. हमने BCom कर लिया तो हम ग्रेजुएट हो गए. But along with this, there are many self-finance courses as BCA, BMM, BMS, BAF, BAFE. There are so many courses we do have available in our college. So BCA is again a degree which relates to the college. It's a 3-year degree course, and you will have the graduation degree as you will have graduate as from arts. You can also graduate yourself from computer course. BCA graduates have good job prospects both in government and private sector. And after successfully passing BCA, there are many opportunities in big companies like Oracle, IBM, Infosys, Wipro. These are the companies you might have heard. इन सब कंपनीज में अगर अच्छी कंपनीज में IT कंपनीज में हमें जॉब करना है तो वी शुड try to choose our field कि हमें कौन सा field choose करना है. So BCA is the right path for you. Now I'm giving you a course highlights. Duration of the course is 3 years. Examination pattern is semester pattern, that is 6 semesters. Eligibility 10+2 from any stream with English and a subject of study from recognized university, arts, commerce, science, MCVC, vocational, all stream. Even non-math students are also allowed to complete BCA, especially from SNDT University. Other university like Mumbai University, Delhi University, all it provides only with the maths. But here in SNDT University, the non-math students can also go for learning BCA. Admission process on merit basis. And so these are the starting average salary, employment of area, database management, companies, job profiles can be, you can be a software developer, you can be a system administrator. Yeah, you can be a system administrator. Now, what after BCA? Same year, even if you don't want to go in job after completing BCA, there are many fields. You can go for your master degree. You can go for master, and you can go for MBA, MSc IT, MSc MCA, and many more fields. And what are the career opportunities after BCA? You can be a system engineer, programmer, system administrator, web developer, software developer, information system manager, security analyst, and database administrator. Many people think कि अगर BCA किया है तो हमें सिर्फ कोडिंग करना है, कोडिंग के फील्ड में ही जाना है, but it's not like that. Designing is the one area where you can grow yourself. If you want to be a system developer or project manager, not necessarily your coding should be very strong. You can be very good in designing part as well. And here you can see open up varieties of fields for you. That is again a programming, management, infrastructure engineer, digital marketing, client servicing, quality assurance, designing. So these all are the field open for you even after you not complete your MCA, even just you complete your BCA. ये सारे fields available है. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि जितने भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के वर्क होते हैं वो आप घर बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्क फ्रॉम होम. तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम करने के लिए हमें टेक्नोलॉजी आनी चाहिए. तो अगर हम कोई भी इसमें से फील्ड यूज करते हैं तो वी कैन लर्न इजिली थ्रू we can easily work from home. Now, job recruiting companies as Infosys, Wipro, we do have campus recruitment from every year. We have intake of 60 students, and we have campus pool drive of Wipro, TCS, and many more companies. And you can see here that there are many opportunities available. The Wipro and the Infosys, they arrange a pool campus for the students, those who just are the freshers of BCA, BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, whatever. And then the campus pool drive take the student. And there is one more good news I would like to give you. Wipro is giving one more facility. Suppose I want to pursue my education in MCA, and I also want to continue with the job. So Wipro is giving one facility, and TCS also, and this also is giving this opportunity. Parallelly with learning, you can also do job. So you will be paid salary, you will be work there in a company, and company will take your all fees, and for MCA will be paid through the company. And now you can see here one thing, what should be the approximate salary? If we talk, what you all just, I just want to know, and just write in chat box, how many of you want to earn how much? What is your expectation of earning? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh per annum. So you might be expecting more to earn. अगर आपको ऐसा है कि आप कुछ अच्छा earn करना चाहते हो, तो उसके लिए आपको ये देखना है कि हमें कौन सा फील्ड। यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर की एंट्री लेवल की सैलरी एक साल में 2.5 लाख होती है, और मैक्सिमम सैलरी 9.5 लाख तक की हो सकती है। तो अगर आपको अच्छी सैलरी पे जॉब करना है, तो यू मस्ट थिंक कि एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एक साल में 12 लाख रुपए कमा सकता है। एंड वी हैव अ मोनामी जायसवाल स्टूडेंट who had just completed a BCA and MCA, and she had got a job in TCS, and her salary package is 12 lakh rupees per annum. And this is the career path for a software engineer. How you can be a software engineer. From associate training software engineer, you will join, and then you will be a software engineer, senior software engineer, associate. And then here you can see in a graph how you can be a corporate management trainer. Corporate management trainer. Develop the next generation of the female digital leaders. Here we will show you one thing that will show you that our college is a girls college, and we would like to tell you, we would like to generate digital leaders. So SNDT at Malad, we are CMB Mahila College from last 50 years as a prestigious college, and BCA is here in this college from last 15 years. And admission criteria is 45% with 12th. Any stream, science, commerce, arts, vocational, maths, non-maths. And the syllabus covers all streams like programming language, hardware, software, computer network, Android applications, and data mining. And BCA, we have excellent opportunity for girls to excel in the field of IT. Quality education exclusively for girls, scholarship and free SIP available. Then as principal ma'am has also discussed that our college is providing, and we are generating and empowering women in all the fields, not only in the field of technology, in all the fields. And free SIP facility and scholarship facility is also given to the students. Qualified and experienced faculty, well-equipped in infrastructure, tie up with leading IT companies, as I already said, Wipro, TCS, Infosys, we are having tie-up with these companies. And proven track record of a university toppers. We have, we too take admission with 50%, 60%, but in final year, our students be a university topper, university ranker with 80, 85 and 90% and become the university topper. So you can see how we transform the student having 50% in FY, and then the changes goes directly to 80% in TY. Holistic development of the students, and we do provide book bank facility to the students. Books are provided free of cost to the student for all the books per semester. To all 60 students will get the books. Now we have college infrastructure with well-equipped computer lab, audiovisual, library, sports and gym khana. Here you can see the infrastructure of the college. Value-added courses, we do have .NET, Advanced Java, And I think students are asking questions, so we can discuss the question after just within 5 minutes. We'll end with this session and then we will have question answer session. So whatever questions you have, you can ask in chat box and we will surely answer for your questions. So these are some value added courses which we are also providing as Photoshop, Android applications, .NET, Advanced Java, and many more. Bridge course in mathematics is what, like the non-math student, those who take admission, जो भी non-math students होते हैं जिनको maths नहीं आता है, तो we give them bridge course ताकि वो उस bridge को, उस gap को कम कर सके, उनको maths के इन fundamentals बताए जाते हैं जिससे उनको आगे कोई भी तकलीफ ना हो. Student progressions, we are having students, those who have completed after BCA, we have students working in abroad, we have students, those who have completed MCA, MSCIT, MTech, MBA. So our students are really doing well and working abroad also. And these are the companies we are having tie-up with: TIS, Raj Computers, Wipro, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra. These are the company which comes for the campus placement every year. Here I can show you a little just glimpses of our BCA, what we do, and just have a glimpse that this is the state level seminar on cyber crime and forensic, and we have Akbar Pathan, a cyber crime forensic from cyber crime forensic department, and we do have Sachin Dedia, a renowned hacker and a cyber crime forensic department person for this session. And these, you can see the chairs-based seminar, which was also organized by students. So these way the students learn so many things while organizing programs. And we have code tarka competitions where the students do coding, and we do have sessions for the students for yoga, meditations, to just keep, we just do the holistic development of the students. So we try to cover up all the area. The students also organize events like, as ma'am has said, media event as Melange we are doing from last 5 years. We do have a Young Spring, many more events, and from this students learn many things. And here you can see many workshops and seminars for the students. And thank you for listening to all of us. Now we will have a question answer session for sure. And before having question answer session, I just would like to show you a small, a very interesting video, which you can just see. And then we will have question answer session, a very small, interesting video.